This is by far the most common use of the cloud because honestly, you probably use it all the time no matter where you're at in your stage of IT. So far in our journey, we've talked about infrastructure as a service, basically taking our physical infrastructure and saying, here you go, cloud. So we no longer have to worry about the hardware aspect of things. Then we talked about the platform as a service. We're getting a lot more invested into the cloud here. This one is really hot for developers. It gives them a development framework. It helps them to build, test, deploy, maintain, manage every step of the development lifecycle. But now here we are at software as a service. SaaS. Time to get sassy. No, I'm not gonna do that. The beauty of this is all of these things, from data center, network, storage, servers, operating systems, developer tools, all of this stuff, we don't care about that. It's all about the hosted applications. With SaaS, users connect to and use a cloud-based application over the internet. We as the users, using a software as a service, only focus on using the software. A huge use case for this would be email clients. Ever heard of Gmail? Google's Mail? And we have storage. How many of you use Dropbox or Microsoft's OneDrive? Cloud-based options for storage, where it's just an application we're using. Or you might have very specific apps that you need for your business. Maybe you're using Salesforce, Cisco WebEx, so you can collaborate with your fellow employees. Or even Slack, which is a cloud-based application that you use to chat with people and also collaborate. We talked about the speed and how quickly you can get up and running with a software as a service, but you also get access to sophisticated applications that you would otherwise have to, pay to develop. So essentially, instead of paying for all the resources to build this up for yourself, you just rent this application or subscribe to it. And these are the very broad categories of our cloud service offerings. I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.